Welcome back to Age with Grace, the place where age is just a number and beauty blossoms with wisdom. Today, we're diving deep into a subject every woman over 50 has wondered about at some point. How can I look younger instantly? Not in 6 months. Not after countless cosmetic procedures. But instantly. Yes, you heard that right. We're revealing the 3 secret vitamins to look younger instantly for older women. Nutrients so powerful, yet often overlooked, that they could truly change how your skin glows, how your eyes sparkle, and how your body feels in just days. These aren't just anti-aging buzzwords. These are science-backed beauty-boosting essentials your body is probably craving right now. Let's begin with a bit of context. As we age, our skin loses collagen, our joints stiffen, our hair thins, and our energy dips. You might notice that your skin doesn't bounce back the way it used to. Maybe that youthful radiance feels like a distant memory. But what if I told you that some of the most dramatic transformations happen not with a new moisturizer or miracle serum, but from inside out? That's where these 3 secret vitamins to look younger instantly for older women come in. These hidden gems don't just support your overall health, they light up your entire appearance, from skin texture to the clarity in your eyes. Let's unlock the first secret vitamin, and I'll bet it's one you've never associated with youthful looks: vitamin K2. Now don't confuse this with its more well-known cousin, vitamin K1, which helps with blood clotting. Vitamin K2, however, is like a youth-preserving ninja, quietly working behind the scenes. It plays a crucial role in keeping calcium out of your arteries and putting it where it belongs, in your bones and teeth. But here's what makes it a game-changer in the realm of anti-aging. It helps prevent skin sagging. That's right. By keeping your elastin fibers from calcifying and hardening, vitamin K2 allows your skin to stay smooth, elastic, and firm. Many older women experience sagging around the jawline or under the eyes and wonder why their skincare isn't fixing it. The answer may lie within, and the deficiency of vitamin K2 is surprisingly common, especially in Western diets. If your skin has lost that youthful bounce, K2 might be your new best friend. And the best part? Many women report visible results: firmer cheeks, tighter jawlines, and even a reduction in under-eye puffiness within just a week or 2 of consistent use. You can find it in fermented foods like natto, a Japanese soybean dish, but more realistically, a quality K2 supplement is the way to go. Now on to the second secret vitamin to look younger instantly for older women: astaxanthin. Not technically a vitamin, but often grouped in the same category for its powerful effects, this bright red pigment is found in algae and gives salmon and flamingos their pink hue. But for us, especially women over 50, astaxanthin is a skin savior. It's 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C in neutralizing free radicals, those pesky molecules that age our skin by causing oxidative stress. What does this mean for your appearance? Within days of supplementing with astaxanthin, many women notice smoother skin, a brighter complexion, and even a subtle tightening effect, like you've just come back from a restful vacation. The skin glows because astaxanthin works on a cellular level to reduce inflammation, protect collagen, and boost moisture retention. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing skin that looks plumper, more vibrant, and less lined. That's the power of this miracle molecule. And it's not just about appearance. Astaxanthin also supports your eyesight and energy levels, giving your entire face a more youthful expression. You'll feel it in your mood, your posture, and the way people start saying, "You look different, but I can't quite put my finger on why." That's the best kind of compliment, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the third powerhouse in our trio of secret vitamins to look younger instantly for older women. And this one might surprise you the most: vitamin B7, better known as biotin. Biotin is often marketed for hair and nails, and yes, it does wonders in that department. But its impact on your skin, energy, and even metabolism is just as incredible. As we get older, our ability to absorb B vitamins, especially biotin, decreases. That's one reason why hair can become brittle, skin turns dull, and nails crack more easily. Biotin works by supporting the production of fatty acids and glucose, which are critical for nourishing your skin and scalp. Within days of boosting your biotin intake, you may notice your hair feeling thicker, shinier, and more resilient. Your skin may develop a healthy glow, especially if dryness has been an issue. For many women, Biotin brings a brightness to the face that no highlighter can fake. It's a glow that comes from within. And if you've been struggling with fatigue or brain fog, Biotin can also support cognitive clarity and steady energy levels, helping you feel more alive and alert, which inevitably reflects on your face. So why are these 3 secret vitamins to look younger instantly for older women still so secret? It's partly because the beauty industry focuses more on what we put on our skin than what we put into our bodies. But true radiance, lasting radiance, comes from cellular nourishment. Vitamin K2 firms, astaxanthin brightens, and biotin revitalizes. These are not trends. They're biological tools your body is already designed to use. Let's take a moment to talk about how quickly these can work, because I know you're wondering, can anything really make you look younger instantly? While no vitamin is a magic bullet, these 3 come close. Women who begin a consistent regimen of high-quality K2, astaxanthin, and biotin often notice changes in as little as 72 hours. Less puffiness, more hydration, smoother texture. By the 2-week mark, friends start asking if you've changed your makeup routine. By 1 month, the difference can be dramatic enough that you feel confident without makeup at all. And here's something else worth mentioning. These vitamins aren't just about beauty. They protect your long-term health. K2 guards your heart and bones, astaxanthin shields your eyes and brain, and biotin supports your metabolism and mood. So while you're turning back the clock on your appearance, you're also building strength and vitality beneath the surface. That's what aging gracefully is all about. Now, you may be wondering how to get started. Which brands are best? What dosage is safe and effective? We've taken the guesswork out of it for you. In the pinned comment below, we've linked our top recommended supplements for each of these 3 beauty-enhancing vitamins. These are trusted, high-quality sources we stand behind at Aged with Grace, and many of our viewers have shared their own amazing transformations after using them. So, as we close this episode, remember, true beauty isn't about perfection. It's about vibrancy, energy, confidence. And when you nourish your body with these 3 secret vitamins to look younger instantly for older women, you're doing more than taking a supplement. You're giving yourself permission to shine again, just like you were meant to. Thank you for spending time with us today. If this episode inspired you, don't forget to follow Age with Grace for more natural beauty and wellness secrets that celebrate your age instead of hiding it. And of course, check the pinned comment below for links to the products we trust and recommend.